Hi team, hi all. My name is Vishnu. I'm from the team Panache. Here, why I'm here today is to give you a brief demo about the tool that we have created for the presenting it before the hackathon competition. And as per the tries and the hackathon requirement and all, we have to create service modeling of this particular CMDB manager tool. And without explaining much about anything, I'm just heading towards the tool itself. Just want to tell a brief introduction about just how we, with which tool and all we have developed this. It's just using the Microsoft PowerShell as well as the SQL Server database with Express Edition. That's free, of course. So just want to stress the point to say that this particular tool we have developed with zero cost from our side. Okay, so this is front page of the tool as you can see. So here you have an option like anything like any other tool, where you can search the CIs that we have already entered into this particular tool. So as per of the modeling and the requirement that has been provided by dry eyes, we have to create sub models and we have to give the demo of those. So for giving a particular scenario, I just took this particular impact simulation of different CIs, and I am trying to showcase it before you how it will show as a simulation to us. So basically, as you can see here, the root CI name is service A. The same CI, if you just want you have to search over here, you can just type S and it will show you all the CIs that are there in the CMDB manager too. So I just want to search it off. When you search, click on the search button, a particular data grid view will come where you will be able to see the different options: view, edit and simulate. So as the name indicates, here you will be able to see what exactly are there inside the service. I'm just clicking on the view button, so it will show you the service A, application 1, application 2, application 3, DB1, DB2, which are all connected to each other as per the requirement that we have gathered. We have put it here. So that is for view, and edit is nothing but if we want to add some level of CIs to this, we have the authority to add. If you want to add a particular node to this application A3, you just want to click on that and another pop-up will come to add a particular CI. So you just need to click a new CI. So what you have to do is just on clicking the new CI button, you will be able to see a new page where you can enter the name of the new CI name, just giving as a test app. I'm just giving test app, and I'm just giving it as a app server, and I'm not making any changes to these coordinates. Basically this is not that the hectic one as you are seeing. It's normally, even if without changing the coordinates on a much bigger way itself, it will work perfectly. So you have the luxury to use this particular button called the preview. So based on the preview that you have given, you can see that test app and application CI has been created attached to this particular application 3. So if you like this, or if you are okay with this particular CI, you are actually good to save it up, and it will apply the changes to the DB, else you can close it down. So I'm just closing it down as I am just following one of the first requirement that Dry Ace and Hackathon team has given to me. So this way you can load this particular, you can create on a different basis. So you have the option to change the x-axis and all, and you will be able to change the preview as such, like this and all. So now it came to here and all, so you have the luxury to change the different the coordinates, and you can move around and play around over all the particular ground that you have got. So that's it. So I'm just closing it down. I'm closing this page. So next one is edit itself. So in edit, so but this is actually the particular formation that we have made based on the requirement from dry team. This one, service A, app 1, app 2, A3, web A1, web server, sub server A1, app 1, app server A1, DB1, DB2, and cluster. So similar way we have created it over here, and so we made it here, and the thing we have done is we have made we have set some relationships for this particular web server A1. So if you could see over here, if the web server A1 goes down, app A1 should go down and service A1 should go down. So what we have done for that is click on web server A1 and configure relationships. You will be able to see a tab here, and that will show you a simple page where you can already see that web server A1 is added to this, and a down server of this and relationship of this towards that application model. This is actually the root server service A. So based on this particular thing, what it means is when web server A1 goes down, application application 1 will goes down. So if you could click on A1, it similarly configure relationship, you could see application 1 goes down, then the service A will goes down. So that is how it is interlinked. So this particular thing we have given configured by clicking on those particular CIs itself. So I have set it for this particular service A. So I just need to click on the I just need to come back to the home page and click on the simulate button. So here another thing I have just want to mention is the balloon or notification area that I have made over here. It will give you what needs to be done on each and every steps. Here you have landed on the simulation page. Select two CIs to simulate. Once you select the CIs, it will reflect in the text box. So there are options to select two CIs, but here I am just clicking on this one web server A1 as our requirement is that, and you just need to click on the simulate button. So it will simulate, and it will give you another page where you can see that web server A1, application 1, and service A is down. So this is how this particular simulation is going to work. So similar way, I just want to give how it will work for two CIs as well. So I'm just taking out an example from here itself. Okay, here there are two servers. I haven't configured for this A2 and A3. When it goes down, A1 should go down, and if A1 alone is going down, it should not make any impact on service A. So I'm just setting that up. So what I have to do is application A2, you need to click on application A2. I'm sorry, this is not the page. So we need to set the simulation. So you need to go to edit. And click on application A2. So when application A2, you have to configure relationship. So our requirement is when application A1 goes down, service A should go down, but partially, because service A will go only down. So service A will go down only if the other partner of this particular server will go down. So for that, you have to click on partial dependency here, so that you will be able to get an option to add another server, which is the one that you have to select, called application A3. So I'm just clicking on application 3, and you just need to select it over here. So it will give you this particular two lines where you can able to see application 3 is having relationship with the service A, or application 3 will go down. If application A3 will go down, the service A will go down, but only if, since the relation is 0.5, application 2 also needs to go down. Similar way, application 2, if application 2 goes down, service A will goes down only if application A3 is down. So this particular thing I have set it over here. So I can close this tab, and I can go to the simulation page. Click on the simulation page now, and here are my application pages. So click on the application 1, 2 and application 3 that we have given, and click on simulate. So see how it is working. So you have click on two. When two servers go down, the service A goes down. Suppose if you have only one server goes down, what it will show up? Let me just go back, simulate. Just I'm just clicking on a application A2, so it came over here and simulated. It will not affect the service A. So that means only if application A2 and application 2 and application 3 goes down, then only service A will goes down. So that is the another scenario. So I hope this is pretty clear. All the relationships for this particular thing are related to all the relationships and the requirements that have been shown in DryIce. Hope it is clear from this video. We can achieve it using this particular tool. So this particular video I am uploading to the YouTube for sharing it with the Hackthlon team. As you can see, it's already 11:28. I'm sorry, I just want to rush out, and I will upload it as soon as possible and close it down. So thanks for your time for reviewing this and all. So thanks for shortlisting our team to second round at least. So we hope to get more out of it. So thank you.